With the tagline, "Ride the Wind," the 2026 Hummer Motorhome reimagines off-road luxury travel. While unannounced, this speculative concept is inspired by the durable Hummer EV base and electric engine. Hummer's iconic style and sustainable technologies would create a unique RV that combined adventure and comfort. Design performance. Exterior. The motorhome would have Hummer's aggressive design, a sturdy chassis, and high ground clearance to handle various terrains. Modern aerodynamics would increase its impressive appearance and efficiency. Powertrain. The RV would include a triple-motor all-wheel drive system, utilizing Hummer's electric car technology to provide high torque and horsepower. This arrangement would be capable of hauling and off-roading. Range and charging. A big battery provides a long-distance driving range for motorhomes. Traveling with fast charging would reduce downtime. Tech and interior. Living space. The RV has a huge, elegant cabin with comfortable seats, a well-equipped kitchen, and a full-size bathroom with water recycling equipment. Advanced entertainment systems, such as huge touchscreen displays, surround sound audio, and satellite internet connectivity, ensure occupants are engaged and connected. Smart features. Integrate with smart home technologies for voice commands or mobile apps to regulate climate, lighting, and energy. Off-grid capabilities. The motorhome would use solar panels to generate renewable energy, enabling off-grid living and lowering dependence on external power sources. Energy efficiency. Optimized battery management in energy-efficient appliances enhance vehicle range. Estimated specifications. Information on the feature engine. Electric. Triple motor AWD. Power, estimated 1,000 horsepower torque, approximately 11,500 pound-feet AWD drivetrain. Range 644 kilometers to 400 miles. Battery capacity expected to be 200 kilowatt hours. Fast charge time, 80% in 45 minutes at a WH, 35 to 40 feet by 8.5 feet by 12 to 13 feet. Seating capacity 4 to 6. Bathroom full-size wet bath with water recycling. Kitchen, induction cooktop, smart fridge, microwave solar power optional roof. Solar panel up to 2,000 watts, up to 10,000 pounds, 4,536 kilograms towing capacity. Pros. Off-road capability for distant access. Elegant and spacious interior for comfort during long excursions. Integrated cutting-edge technologies for enjoyment and convenience. Sustainable energy solutions using solar power and energy-efficient equipment. Durable construction for difficult conditions. Cons. Expensive, limiting affordability for budget-conscious consumers. Large size can be difficult in urban or limited spaces. Maintenance may be complicated by modern systems and technology. Limited availability due to unproduced conceptual model. Conclusion. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome's "Ride the Wind" motto epitomizes luxury and adventure. The concept combines Hummer's robust heritage with cutting-edge electric technology and ecological living solutions to depict off-road travel's future. This RV would inspire adventurers seeking unmatched adventures.